Good day, fellow Fae. Welcome to my kitchen. I will be kind of leading the way by candlelight. I love this ambiance. So yeah, I guess we can start here. I am dehydrating. Well, I'm planning on dehydrating these grapefruit. I love grapefruit. I want to make more art with it. So that's that. I am going to be enjoying some tomato soup, and this is my favorite. This is the Amy's brand, so it is currently on over here, warming up. This is my radio. These dried flowers, you will see them everywhere. I love dried roses. These are two books that I have in my kitchen. These aren't all the books, I don't think. This is Psychic Witch, and I don't want to mispronounce his last name, but he's awesome. I think he follows me on Instagram, which is so cool. He seems so down to earth. And then this is the Book of Kitchen Witchery, which I've started in this one really well, and that is the writer. This stand, let me show you guys. This stand is so cool. I think it's done, like, it's used for like pictures, but I just put the books there. It was given to me by my mother. This mushroom house was actually made by yours truly. It was actually made out of a jar. I'm not going to touch it because I have a video on that. I just haven't uploaded it yet. The Goblin brand, I'm not sure if I showed that off in my altar tour. I don't think so. It's just a really cute poster. This is a pink salt, pink Himalayan salt. I'm saying everything but what I'm supposed to be saying. Pink Himalayan salt crystal candle holder. That is a little kitty. I love kitties. We're gonna go over to the side here and show more of what's happening. I have tons of little fairy houses. I love fairy houses. I have tons of roses. That's my phone and my phone holder. This is my ring holder. Like when I'm cooking and I need to like wash my hands, so when I'm cooking and I need to like wash my hands, I will put my rings here, just because I don't really like to mess with food when I have rings on, so I do put them here. It's just some oil. So the cute thing about this phone holder is the fact that it's a cat. It's so cute. I have this really goofy picture of myself here. I thought it was rather enchanting. These books here are all about gardening. So the first one is about ferns. The second one is titled Garden Enemies. Let's see if we can zoom in on that. Yeah, Garden Enemies. The third one is Herbs. I say herbs, but whatever. And then the last one is the Little herb cookbook. Like I said, there are more dried flowers, fairy crossing. Oh, I don't think you guys can see that, but that is a beautiful butterfly here. Can you see that? And then that says, when witches go riding and black cats are seen, you know it's Halloween. I thought that was cute because I also have a black cat. I don't know where she is. She like kind of camouflages. Oh, there she is. Amy! There she is. You see her? Okay. Next, I guess I'll show you guys what's happening here. I don't know, I just really love the ambiance of the candle. Sorry if no one can see this really good, but so this is a famous painting that I literally see everywhere. This is not a painting, but I think it is a print. She's literally in a fairy ring, in a fairy circle, like hanging out. Something that we all kind of wish we could do, and something that some of us are afraid to do. So let's like get in close to see these little, like they are just having a freaking party. This is my Apothecary cabinet for the kitchen. I don't know if y'all can see all this up here. Tons of empty peppermint. I go through peppermint a lot. I have thyme, star anise. I have one of my favorite autumn candles that I've ran out of. I have a lot of rose petals, and sandalwood is my favorite. I have my first official wand that I made, and my daughter put her little dragon up there. Here is the edible flowers, and this one I actually want to make. It's a plum pudding. I'm gonna try to do that. So my kitchen is like surrounded by, I'm trying to make sure I don't accidentally step on my booger bean here. Yes, it is. So it is surrounded by nothing but ivy. Ivy means a lot to me. Here are some pictures. Here is my broom and more ivy. I do have this covering the back door because I have a neighbor that lives right across the street from me, and it wasn't there at first. I liked being able to look out and the sun peering through, but he shines his light inside of my back door aggressively, and I have like my eyes, it's sensitive at times, so I'm not able to leave that open as I really wish I could. But like at night he shines them so bright that I have to close this part. But anyways, that is the Xylia and babies at the Renfest. This is my key, what do you call it, my key rack. And we can zoom in on that. I just got these small cinnamon brooms. This is lavender. I brought it maybe like 2 days ago. I like the smell of lavender. These are my keys and some glasses. This is a piece that I made. It's like dried flowers and things of that sort. These are lanterns that I have on both ends of. I never put anything in there though. I might get some pretend candles. Oh, let's go down to the table. Okay, so here's the table. Let's see. Let's put you here. Okay, so I do have a strictly medicinal Seeds catalog for 2021. I am gonna order some more seeds. This is obviously cat food. I leave this out because I feed the stray cats. I said street cats. So this, I want to go more in depth. Like, I want to go more in depth with that pot on my mug collection video. I do have more fairy memorabilia up here. I love dragonflies. I do have a pumpkin. Here it just makes me feel good. I do have aloe as well, like when the kids have scratches and stuff, that's kind of what we put on their boo-boos. And I just have feathers and dried oranges there. These are my pillows with the pumpkin with the mushrooms on them. Okay, so here I do have these forestry like pieces of art here, which are really cool. Also, this is my ode to Mother Earth. Let's see if we can get like some better shots on here. She has a bunch of things here. Crystals. We have some storage as well. More crystals. This is like a storage. I do have this picture here. I think I've been filming in front of that picture. That one and that one I